How to silence unknown calls on WhatsApp iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Privacy. Then tap Calls. Now, look for Silence Unknown Callers. Turn on the toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers. Once enabled, calls from unknown numbers will no longer ring on your iPhone. However, you'll still be able to see them in your Calls tab and in your notifications. If you want unknown callers to ring normally again, simply return to Settings, tap on Privacy, then tap on Calls, and turn off Silence Unknown Callers. And that's it! You've successfully silenced unknown calls on WhatsApp for iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful WhatsApp and iPhone tutorials.